Kayimbi snap. Yimbi. Hi banyana baka. Preparing for OTS. Currently akoyabaloyi 3 a.m. Re busy. Naka installer. Are bone o pretendang go wetsa. Kyo le ko khoneng kwae. Wetsa makeup. Say hi banyana baka. Isho mo. Sunburn it's hi banyana baka. Hi banyana baka. Isho's ne. Hi banana ka. Ushanja ngosingu banat. Hi pakaka. Oh titi. Okay, it's currently 3 a.m. I got makeup room. It's a with a makeup. I get to offer it's a makeup. Who busy? So we go Princess Sophia today. It's just our sign. We knocks. And I'm going to have a 3. No one has cut sin. Ning for send me. Aibo. I'm installing my Legos hairline because about princess ngempela ngenzi updo. Look. Kira updo. Ne akitsuri ditama. Hi princess. Hi mermaid. Bese uphuma kanjani? Ngitshela ngathi uphume kanjani? Uphuma kanjani? Uthini uphuma kanjani? Love it maneneza. Yes. Oh, hey, pass down. Awu, ngiyalibulela yo. Manzi phansi namhlanje. Ngaze nga cute. That time I'm not even done. Mana sine uthi wena ungayikhulisa wena. Ngobani? Ingoba nezami ngiyahlule ukuyikhulisa. Ay bosne, you can't say that. Morning Mahle. Say hi banyana baka. Isho. Say hi banyana baka. Hi banyana baka. Isho phela Mahle. Bazomale basimana. Soon. Gaze njani pho? Ayibo. Lelana nje nayo. Uyazifihla lo monye uluwa.
She's very talkative, you know. We were introduced to her on Isganiza's Temple season 1. When we saw her, we were like, who is this girl? You know, the way Uterelo she talks, if you don't like her, it's not going to be easy for you to be around her. So when it comes to Amahle, it's now confusing. Amahle, she was introduced to us on Isganiza's Temple season 3. We were fine, we accepted her. Now people are so confused after they have seen a trailer yesterday, guys. So this video, it was posted by Terelo on her TikTok account, and people were looking at Amahle the way she was looking at Terelo. When Terelo was saying hi Amahle, she was very annoyed. So people are asking themselves, if personality yaka Amahle, she's like this or she hates Terelo. Firstly, Amahle knew who was Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo was a celebrity, has a reality show. Is this Tembo. His family has a reality show. Uthando Tembo, guys. Probably she was also watching the reality show like some guys. Now she wanna act as if she doesn't know what is going on. People are asking themselves, and some are saying what they do understand Amahle, guys. Now Amahle, she's acting like Umakele, guys. When Makele she's around Makumalo, a relationship with Terelo and Amahle, it reminds them of Makele and Makumala, guys. The way Amahle she's behaving, you can tell she's tired of Terelo. Guys, it's very hard. Utirelo, she's very talkative. Even Snake, you can see on the video, she was already tired of Utirelo, guys. No wonder why they were not getting along, no view, guys. Like Utirelo, guys, the only person who can get along, no Utirelo, guys, I feel like Uenhle, guys, she knows how to pretend, guys. No wonder why Usne Etisia pretendana lana. She was being honest. Uenhle and Abongwe, they know how to act. They have the skill to read the room. They are very emotionally intelligent compared to Abosne. Abosne, guys, they easily get annoyed. No wonder why Amahle was already tired. She wanted Tirelo to stop talking. So anyway, guys, the people are just dragging Amahle, guys. There's a picture lapana with the trailer. You can see when it comes to Tirelo and Mpumelelo versus Amahle, and Mpumela asking themselves, maybe this is the end of Amahle. Amahle, she's leaving. The way Mpumelelo is holding Amahle versus the way he's holding Utirelo. So people are asking themselves, what is going on here? They are telling us on the trailer, Mpumelelo and Amahle, they are no longer together, guys. That's why it's like this. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.